Let me tell you, this hair is soft. Very, very soft. This is the Burmese curly hair from Inlet Hair. This is in the inches 16, 18, and 20. This hair has made my summer routine so easy and effortless. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the install process of this hair. I started off by sectioning my freshly washed hair into about 6 sections. I do 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Next, I'm going in with the Skyla conditioner on each section and detangling. My unbrush in this Tymo Air Hype blow dryer is Chef Kiss. I go into each section with the tension method to get the best blow dry possible. I love using this method as a curly girl because you get to cut down on the time by a lot. Next, I sew everything in with oil to lock in the moisture. On to the unboxing. So here I am showing you my hair. It came with 3 limbs, 16, 18, and 20 in the Burmese curly. I took out a small leave out in the front and then sectioned my hair into 4 sections for 4 big braids. You can see my braid pattern is simple, but this is why you need the best blow dry so that you can get the flattest lay when you're doing your quick weaves. I wanted my install to be simple, so I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. And once I braid the hair down, I connect it into the next braid. And then the last braid, I take it and pull it through with a crochet hook. So now to do the foundation of my quick weave, I'm just going to be using the stocking cap and Morning Glory. I use the clear one and the back of my comb and just spread it evenly over the braids that are not the leave out. Once everything is fully dry, I go in with the 30-second glue right onto my hair, going from ear to ear with the Burmese curly. I'm just gonna keep repeating this method in the back until I get to the top of my ear. Next, I'm curving the track around to the front so that the hair can lay forward. I'm curving it right up until you get to the middle part. I'm using that as a guide to leave a space there. I keep doing this process until I get a small U-shaped area at the top. It should look like this, and now I'm going to take and cut smaller pieces to fit into this space. Now I'm laying the smaller tracks backwards all the way up until I get to the front to fill this space. I make sure to lay them as close as possible because I want it full for the flip over. So the last track is a little longer. I lay it all the way across the seam. After installing everything, this is how much hair I have left. And now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my leave out. So I'm just curling my edges to prepare them to be laid with my Got2b glue spray. So this part is optional, but I'll do this for this particular time because I did blow dry my hair. So I'll also have a no heat styling my leave out in another video. Now for actually blending my leave out, I started with this method of blending both my hair and the Burmese curly by using the end of the rat tail comb and a flat iron, and I just crimp it around it lightly. I learned this method from a hairstylist when I used to model in New York. I think her name is Coco Maine. I feel like this is a really good option if you want to use a little less heat and you also don't have a wand curler. I just keep repeating this process throughout the whole entire portion of hair that's left out in the front. So this is how it came out after the install. So I'm going to go off camera and come back with the final look and my takeaways. So I ended up wetting the hair down with just water, no product, and this is how it turned out. I'm so in love with this texture. So just my overall takes throughout having this hair, easily to maintain. I used the satin bonnet that they gave with the hair, and I just wrap it up. That's it. I don't braid it down. I do nothing but put the bonnet on and go to bed. If you're a curly girl like me and you know your hair is going to reverse and you need a style that's going to be easy, low maintenance, and also that can blend with your natural hair, this is definitely the hair to use. I'm going to leave all the hair details and links below in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.